Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into assemble. 6 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Erect. Which means put together and set upright a building, wall, or other structure. Erect. For example, the bridge was erected as a temporary measure. Number 2. Fabricate. Which means construct or manufacture an industrial product, especially from prepared components. Fabricate. For example, you will have to fabricate an exhaust system. Number 3. Manufacture. Which means make something on a large scale using machinery. Manufacture. For example, firms who manufacture ball bearings. Number 4. Construct. Which means build or make something, typically a building, road, or machine. Construct. For example, a company that constructs oil rigs. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.